Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Alice, today we're going to talk about being nearsighted, like myself. I have contact lens on. Alice, 有近视吗？
两哈毛。
两哈毛什么？
头发油。
什么头发油？
以前有，现在没有。
你说什么？
没呀。
是吗？以前有，现在没有啊。
因为有做过手术。
Oh, really? Oh, she did an operation, LASIK, I think that's what it's called. 我们今天来跟大家来建议一下，就是说有一些事项呢，大家可以注意哦。有些可能需要做的，有些不要去做的。让我们来保护一下我们自己的眼睛。
木竹，
这教过，木竹是木珠嘛？So our first vocabulary is 木竹。That is your eye. 那万一已经近视了，要戴眼镜咯，对不对？木竹的眼镜是
木镜。
木镜。Okay, 木镜就是眼镜。That's a pair of glasses. Now let me tell people certain things that they need to watch out for. Number one, whenever you're studying or reading a book or you're on the computer for more than 40 minutes, you should rest for 5 minutes.
休息5分钟。
休息5分鐘。是5分鐘。Minutes. Oh, okay. That's how you say it in Hakka. Rest for 5 minutes. 休息5分鐘。All right. Number two, whenever you're reading, you have to maintain a 45 centimeter distance. Okay, 在阅读的时候呢，最好是保持45公分以上的这个距离。
保持45公分的距離。
距離 is distance. Number three, don't stay up too late. Okay, I'm not good at this, but don't stay up too late. 不要熬夜。
莫好呀。
好啊。不行。不行，好呀。Okay. All right. That's a funny way of saying it in Hakka. All right. Number four, for everyone out there, you should do a checkup on your eyes at least once a year. Okay. 每一年呢，最好呢，大家可以做一次的视力检查。
当年做一擺嘅目珠檢查。
That's eye checkup, 眼睛檢查。And finally, if you have any problems with your eyes, if you're feeling uncomfortable, you should contact a doctor immediately. Do not procrastinate on this, okay? And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.